Hello friends, my name is Swapnil. In last video, we learned about the placebo, the second cornerstone, and the 1902 Biologics Control Act. In this video, we are going to learn about the sulfanilamide tragedy and the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Acts. So, sulfanilamide tragedy is also known as the Elixir sulfonamide disaster. This was a devastating event in history of pharmaceutical and public health in United States. The tragedy occurred in 1937 in US, United States. The product involved was a medication called the elixir sulfanilamide. It was marketed as a treatment for various infections, included streptococcal infection. The elixir contained the antibiotic sulfanilamide, which should be dissolved in the diethylene glycol solvent, a toxic chemical commonly used as antifreeze. The marketing and the elixir was developed and marketed by the SC Messenger company. At the time, there were no regulations requiring safety testing of new drugs before they were marketed. After the elixir was released to the public, reports of serious illnesses and deaths started to emerge. Many patients who had taken the elixir became extremely ill or died. It was determined that the deaths and illness were a result of the toxic diethylene glycol in the elixir. This causes multi-organ failure and other severe health issues. The sulfanilamide tragedy played a significant role in the establishment of the modern drug safety and regulatory framework in the United States. It is led to the creation of the US Food and Drug Administration as a regulatory authority responsible for ensuring the safety and efficacy of the drugs. The owner of the AC Messenger company, Samuel Messenger, faced legal consequences and was charged with mislabeling the product, but not for the deaths directly caused by the elixir. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the importance of rigorous testing and regulations in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure the safety of patients. It remains a significant historical case that has influenced drug safety regulation globally. The sulfanilamide tragedy had a profound impact on the pharmaceutical industry and public health policies, ultimately leading to a stricter regulation and greater emphasis on the safety of medications. So, this is the sulfanilamide tragedy. Then the second point is the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act. So, Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act is a significant piece of legislation in the United States that regulate the manufacturing and marketing of foods, drugs, cosmetics and medical devices. It was enacted in 1938, primarily in response to the sulfanilamide tragedy and other concerns about the safety and labeling of the products. The primary purpose of the Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act is to protect public health by ensuring the safety and efficacy of food, drug, cosmetics and medical devices. It aims to prevent adulteration and misbranding of these products. The act grants the US FDA and Drug Administration, that is FDA, the authority to enforce regulations related to food, drug, cosmetics, and medical devices. The FDA and C Act establish a framework for the FDA to evaluate and approve new drugs before they can marketed to the public. They include rigorous testing for safety and effectiveness. While cosmetics are not subject to pre-market approval like drugs, the Act requires cosmetics to be safe for use and properly labeled. It grants the FDA the authority to take action against the unsafe cosmetics. The FD&C Act covers imported product as well, requiring that they meet the same safety and labeling standard as the domestically produced items. This act also regulates medical devices and ensuring their safety effectiveness before they are marketed. The FDA is authorized to inspect manufacturing facilities, seize unsafe product, issue warning letters, and take legal action against violation act. Over the year, the FD&C Act has been amended multiple times to address emerging issues in food and drug regulation. This amendment have explained the FDA authority and improved consumer protection. The Act authorized the pharmaceutical and medical devices companies to fund FDA reviews of a new product and also expediting the approval process. The Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act is a foundational piece of legislation in the United States and ensuring the safety, efficacy of a wide range of consumer products. It is play a crucial role in shaping the regulatory framework of the food, drug, cosmetic, and medical device industries. And it is a goal of protecting public health and safety. So, this is all about the sulfanilamide tragedy, that is elixir sulfanilamide disaster, and the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Acts. Thank you.